Hey, what do you use these Q-tips for? For cleaning your ears. But do you know we can make a science project out of it? Oh yes, just see this wonderful model of skeleton. You just need a piece of white paper, a pair of scissors, a pencil, pen, glue, Q-tips or ear cleaning pads, and A4 size black sheet. You need a total of 26 Q-tips for this. You need 14 full Q-tips, 7 Q-tips broken into halves making 14 pieces, and 10 very short pieces made out of 5 Q-tips. So that's 26 in total. You can break a Q-tip using your hands or cut it using scissors. Take the square piece of paper, fold it into half, draw a face on it. Start cutting the outline. Also cut the eyes, nose and mouth carefully using scissors. The paper skull is ready. Put this paper skull on the black sheet and start putting 2 half Q-tips and 1 full Q-tip in the form of capital letter T. Next, below this T, start making a triangle again using 1 full and 2 half Q-tips. The pelvic region is ready. Now we begin making the rib cage by placing 4 half Q-tips each side of the T in a slant or diagonal position. Join 3 full Q-tips each side to make 4 limbs. Use 1 Q-tip for the upper bone and 2 Q-tips for the lower part as it consists of 2 bones. Hands are ready. Let's place the hind limbs in the similar manner, 1 plus 2 bones on each side. Use the 10 smallest Q-tips to make bones of fingers. Use last 2 halves of Q-tips as feet. Yay! The skeleton is ready. Now fix it using glue. Remember, it is not a science project without labelings, so do the necessary labelings on paper strips and paste them. Hope you liked it.